know. You already know this shit crazy. Yeah. Many walks of life, it's an awkward plight. Aqua blue Nikes, I offer some advice. Mr. Officer, caught on some device. Twice, evidence that still won't suffice. Frozen margaritas like it's water ice. Sunbathing, fundraising, the cough was right. Can't even cough without thinking coffins. I can't complain, I'm playing golf often. A cup of coffee coming back from jogging. Rosetta Stone, this a different jargon. Jars of weed, this a different creed. You crashed, moving too fast, it's not your speed. Relieve the jaws of life, going beyond repair. Young niggas bleed, how you do that there? Michigan nigga, like a young breed. Hopping out the Wrangler, ain't no future in ya. Frontin', perfectionist, oh yes indeed. I need equal blueberries in every muffin. Second place is the first loser. You being used, or is you the user? Are you confused, or you the confuser? The Black Confucius, configuring minutia.